about half an hour before I start heading to the park to be there as soon as the moon's gonna be high enough in the sky to do this. There's the two thermometers I got. Just set them down here. I accidentally touched the prong on one of them with my thumb a second ago, so it raised up to 81, but they'll even out. That'll probably happen in the next couple minutes. Alright, I got my 8 balls of Play-Doh in the bottom of canister 1. Same in the other one. Purple and blue over here. Light and dark green. Okay. The thermometers have evened out again. That one cooled off after I touched it. They're back to just measuring the temperature of the air inside the house right now in the kitchen. It's a little hot in here. I also have these thermometers inside of each canister, also saying 79. Good to see they're all doing the same thing. And oops, what does that one say? 80? Okay. Let's reset that. Press clear. High of 80, or minimum 80, maximum 80. We'll look at that again when we reopen it. Both the Play-Dohs, let me see if I can turn the light on. Both the Play-Dohs pretty uniformly and similarly smashed. Maybe about half an hour at least before after I put these thermometers inside and put the lids back on top. And next time we open them, we're gonna have one angled at the moon and one angled at the same angle, but in the opposite direction. Okay. So, yes, I'm touching the thermometer. It's going up in my hand. We're gonna give it, let's see. We're gonna give it time to cool off. Get the whole thing. We'll press it in. Alright, we'll put this one in the same way. Depress it down in there. Shut these. Okay. Those are the stoppers. They are going to keep that from sliding. I can use that to extend or retract the angle. Same goes for that. Current time is 11:01. I'm gonna start loading up and go for a drive. Hopefully the moon is at a high enough angle in the sky that we get a clear line of sight over the tree line. That's what I'm worried about. Yeah, there she is. Let's see what we can get here. Not bad. There's the moon. There is my device. Still sealed up. We want to angle this one. Guess we're just picking right, 'cause that's the way I set it down. This one here on the right, we're gonna bring it up a little bit. I have to turn off the light to figure out where the shadow begins. Let's see, I can see it so well with my eyes, but I'm not sure how it's coming across on camera. Not bad, actually. Wow, yeah. Holy cow. Yeah, you can tell that is lit. Boom. Wow, see that shadow from the moon? Man, the moon can cast a bright light. Incredible. Okay. Oh, shoot. It fell out. Okay, I'm not going to touch it. 79, because it's insulated from earlier in the house. Okay, how's that? Looks pretty good. All right. Oh, what about that? Okay, I almost forgot. Okay. Got that hooked up. 79, high 78. Looks good. Gonna clear it. Clear, reset. Saying 79 right now. Alright, that one, 79. It's hotter out here though, so it ought to start. I think it is anyways. Alright, cracking open pod 2. Not aimed at the moon. You see all these little bugs? Get out of here. Okay. Any trouble in here? Just that. Oh, where's the suction cup? There it is. Okay. Let me just press that in a little further. Not touching anything though. Alright, we'll get that suction. Okay, boom. That is reading 79. Alright, clear. Now that we're outside, reset. That looking good, 79. There we go. All right, so what are we working with right now? Can that make it out? 79 still. $77 on that. Interesting. That's going down. It is in the light. Compared to 77 as well. Okay. $79. Okay, identical so far. 75. Things are getting chilly. 79 still. 79 chilling. Funny thing is though, other side's doing the same. Okay, we're at 10. We'll go to 11. Okay, setting that to an 11. These bugs, bro, they're getting me. chilling at 79, chilling at 79 in there. And you, 75. Oh, I gotta put this one down. 75. Those are on the same page. Who will be the first to go down a degree of Play-Doh, though, is the question. Okay, turn this light off. See that? Is that Moonlight coming straight in? Absolutely. Dark on top, dark on bottom, left, right looking equal. Okay, I got it this time. Whew. There we go. There we go. Moonlight. What you gonna do, man? What you gonna do? May look high, but it's coming through clean. It's coming through strong and clean. Pretty clear night, honestly. I'll be back. I'll be back hopefully with some exciting news as to the winner of the race. They're both neck and neck still. Okay, check in soon. Let's check back in. I haven't checked since last time. Let's do it together. 70, 73. Wow. Oh, we have some change. We have change, ladies and gentlemen. 77 Play-Doh in the Moonlight. Let's go over here. How are you holding up? Zoom out, sorry. 74, 77. Oh man. Oh man. 73, 77. Oh man. What do we do about that? We wait some more. We wait some more. Thought I might mention this too. I think experiments began around 7:35. It is currently, I'm sorry, 11:35 roundabout. It has been 21 minutes so far. The last video I just shot was just 30 seconds ending before this one started, because I thought getting some timestamps in here would be good. 73. Did that go up? Was it 72? I forget. 77 back there. $77, 73. Tied. Tie Mungo. Okay, so thinking maybe it's time to give it a slight turn to reorientate it to the moving moon. Let's see if I follow that straight up. Pretty centered still, pretty centered. Moon isn't moving too fast. That one doing its job, complete shadow. Not making a difference yet. Not yet. Will it? Is the question. Is the moon getting any higher? It still looks like it's hitting the back of it pretty darn spot on. Right down the barrel. The bottom is in darkness. Just the back of it is lit up. Okay. Let's check in on the thermometers again. 72. It's dropping more. 77 Play-Doh. 72 air. Start at 79. That was inside of my house. That's well, that was from the moment of resetting it upon the opening of the thermos, but of course it kept its temperature regulated from before. Okay, 73, a little behind in the air, or the whatever that's reading. 77 back there. This and that read the same when I left in open air, so the Play-Doh is definitely insulating it, and the Play-Doh is retaining its warmth more than obviously the air. Man, that Weather Channel does not know what it's talking about. Look at these clear skies, man. Perfectly clear, couldn't be better. 71, 75, okay, we got some movement. 72, 77. All right. Oh, 71, 77. 71, 75. Okay, and timestamp 12:09. Things are starting to get interesting. Okay, thought I'd chime in and mention no detectable wind to my senses. Maybe if I lick my finger and hold it up, the slightest of breezes. Let's see, how can I test that? There is a tree line surrounding us, which does a pretty good job of being a windbreaker. Okay, it's getting higher, and the angle's changed. Okay, so it's creeping in on this side. We're gonna change it up just a little bit. Yeah, you see that? Bring it right to the edge of the wall. A little back. Okay, now we need to lift it. You know the drill. You know the drill. Pun not intended. Okay, we'll lift it 1 unit. Give you guys a view. Down. Turn this off, see how it's going. Perfectly back on track. Don't be confused by the darker green. That's not shadow. That is as good as it gets of an angle. Now to do the same for this guy. Keep everything equal. That back on 10 where it belongs. And let's see, 71, 75, 70, 75. Always just one step ahead, but not enough to not enough to write home about. It's been 10-15 minutes. Current time 12:30. Looks like it's time to give it a little turn. Let's see. There's a little there. That looks good. All right. Let's check in again together. 69. Wow. 73. And you got, write your guess in the comments. What's this one gonna be? 70. 75. The moon. Doing its thing, maybe? 73. 69. 75, 70. Keep it up, moon. Keep it up. I need a little bit more than this to call it case closed. This one always just a little in the lead. This one always closely trailing behind. Alright. Little bit of clouds, nothing really in front of the moon. Wait a little bit. It's good though. No problem. Still coming through strong. I am also getting a sleepy. Alright, everything's still lined up straight down the barrel, but we got some big clouds rolling in. I'm afraid of them getting in the way, but we should consider ourselves lucky, I think, for how well tonight's gone so far. Let's check things out. 12:38. 68. 73. 70. 73. 70. 73. 68. 73. It is what it is, folks. Yep, those clouds are getting closer. I suppose I could wait maybe 20 minutes if they do get in the way. Things are getting a little dimmer out here. Tougher to see if any changes are necessary right now, with the clouds drowning out the strength of the light a little bit there. It's still pretty solid. Yeah, that might be it for tonight. I'll stick it out for another 20. We'll see what happens. Alright, let's do one final measurement. And we have 69 and 73. We have 68. Of course we do. And 73. Let's stick it out another 20 minutes. Maybe these clouds will move on faster than I suspect. The big cloud actually did move off to the left. That's good. The skies are clearing up, at least for maybe like the next 10 minutes or so. They might be good. Got my distinct shadow back. You might be able to see that. Angle is looking pretty solid. Yeah, that's looking good now. Nice direct moonlight. Yeah, very good. Let's check back in on the numbers. Did things equalize? 69, 73. What do you got for me? 68. Yep. 72. Yep. Just like it's been doing all night. Man, this game they're playing it's very interesting. Always ahead, but will that continue? Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. We are going to find out.
beautiful clear skies. It's been a while since my last check-in. It is now 1:12. It's definitely time to crank it up a notch, give it a little turn. It's not bad though, not bad. All right, well, right before I do that, let's check in. 67, continuing to drop. 72, continuing to drop, yeah, 1 degree. 68, but this one keeps trailing behind. 72. Well, I think everything is doing its job very well. I think these devices are to be trusted. The setup has proven to be very fair and equal. This one just always 67, 72. Strange results. Strange results. But back to clear skies. Clouds didn't interfere too much at all. Let's go. Put her back in. Good, good, good. Lay it back down. Up you go. Put that sucker on 9. All right. He does it. 68. 72. 67, always in the lead. 72, drinking in that moonlight. Absolutely. Absolutely. You can get my head out of the way. See that lit up very nicely. Over here, of course, still in complete shadow. Moon, clouds, perfectly acceptable. Yeah, no problem there. I think that might be it. Some real serious clouds just came in fast. That, what time is it? 1:30. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to call it quit. I won't. I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. I'm gonna give it 10 minutes, but that's the whole sky has gone cloudy now. That probably brings us to an end. I'll give it 10 minutes. Let's do one last checkup. What do you got for me? 67, 72, nothing changing. Nothing changing with these clouds. 68, 72. We'll have to do this again sometime. Well, that was fun. That was fun. Thank you, Verdak. Thank you, Verdak. This was a blast. And I'm happy to have tried this out myself. Did my best. Should have brought saran wrap. Next time, saran wrap. No, I don't know when the next opportunity I'll have to repeat this. Yeah, it's not looking good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't hear from me again, that means the clouds didn't subside in the next 10 minutes. Fundy out, probably. The moon's right there. The moon is right there. You can kind of, I don't know if you can tell, it's darker and then brightest. Yeah. But moon's right there, but the clouds have completely swallowed it. There's probably not a real reason to do one last check-in, but we'll do it anyways. 67, 70. It has been, okay. It dropped. And 68, 72. Well. How does that make you feel? All right. On recommendation of my peers, even though the cloud, it is maybe peeking through. Can you see that? Right there, just a little bit. I'm gonna give it 20 minutes. And see if these equalize, if the trend continues. Okay, that went up a little bit. That did not. The air temperature thermometer went up 1 degree. Same as that now. Uh-oh. Down to 70. Well, maybe it was good that I stuck around a little longer. 68. 70. 68. 70. Lost its lead once the moon went away. Can you see it? Can you see that little speck of light? The moon has graced us with its image for one last time tonight. I found a little hole in the clouds to peep through. What's up, moon? I see you. I see you at 2:30 a.m. And goodbye. Has the equalization stayed? 68, 70, 69, 70. Back in the lead once again.